What's up, editors? So this is the animation that we are going to create today. Now, it may look simple at first glance, but we are going to cover some really important techniques and concepts that you can use to elevate your motion design. So first of all, we have our BG. It's just a plain rectangle layer. On top of this, we have an ellipse tool, a circle like this with a gradient color. And you can see this line, how I have used the gradient like this. All right. Next thing we have here is our text, and it's just a little text animation over here. It's a simple one. So I'm gonna hide it for now. In the animation part, or I should say main animation part, we have our troop first. Like, let me show you how it pans over here. I'm gonna just open the effects control. First of all, I have applied a fill color because you can see it's in the composition. So if later on I want to change this chess troop to something else like a rook or horse or anything else, so I can change it easily. So I have applied first of all a fill effect with this color code. Then I have a drop shadow. You can see it over here, right? And then just to make this effect, this one, I've used this Bezier verb. I can press U and I can show you the settings. So this is the speed graph, as you could see. Now these are the simple position keyframes, how it goes up. Let me show you. And right here under the Bezier tools where it ends, the bouncy effect, the rotation starts to flip like this. And it did happen all the time like this when it came down. Like this. I have also applied this expression, Costa is time in position and rotation, of course, with the motion blur in all of the layers. You can see the speed graph of this one and this one as well. All right. But I had to add a cut over here because, there was a match cut and it's right here during the flip, as you can see. And when it lands over here, we have used again the Bezier verb. It starts now, right before it lands. And you can see this bouncy effect, which adds more realism to our animation. And of course, position, rotation, the same keyframes were used over here. I copied them from here. Let me just show you. Look, match cut on the same keyframe on rotation, just to make it more seamless. All right. I think shadow is way too far on this one. I can make it like this. Now here it comes our text. Now, if you can see, if you can notice, this animation looks too fast, right? So we can add speed, like it's just an adjustment layer with a posterized time effect, and it's 9 here. I can press U and I can show you. Right here, I added keyframes, and from 10, I made it 9 over here in the second one. Now you can see it looks much, much better. And this match cut transition looks much more smoother, right? Then we have frame. It's just another adjustment layer with a transform effect. I can show you this one as well. It just adds a zoom at the end. Like this. You can see the speed graph of this one as well. It's a simple one. So that's all in this animation. So sometimes simple things can also make your animation come to life. I'm sure you want to take a look at it more closely, which is why you can get the project file for free of this animation right in the description. So let me know in comments what you feel about this animation, and I'll see you in the next video.